Oh, I need to use the restroom. So glad the Arpha Smart Lock finally came in the mail. Now I can finally modernize my parents' locks. Arpha Smart Lock, your smart home safeguard defender. D01, you can lock via the fingerprint, PIN password, app control, and mechanical key. So 4 different ways to lock. User's manual, a template. What else is in here? So once you have everything in box, make sure you have the user's manual, which has instructions on how to install it and all the terminology, along with the template. Here is the rear locking system, and here is the front, where you would use a fingerprint, the thumb pad, which lights up after you install the battery, or the mechanical key, or via the app. Here are the additional screws, bolts, all that good stuff. Some additional deadbolt and this frame, and also here, and 2 keys which comes with it. So I'm gonna just imitate that it's fully assembled. So this whole locking system weighs 3.65 pounds, and it measures 9.02 inches by 7.3 inches by 3.7 inches width. And the material is made of nice zinc and plastic material. Okay, it's the time for installation. So my first step is to remove the old deadbolt. Screw should be on the back. And I'm going to measure the back set dimension, which is from the center of this hole to the edge of the door. So to remove this piece, it might be glued a little bit tight. Got it out. So now I can finally measure my back set dimension. It looks like mine is 2 3/4, which is 60 millimeters. So I don't need to lengthen this deadbolt, because if you have the 70 millimeters measurement, then you would twist and rotate it out so you can lengthen it. But it looks like mine would work, so I'm gonna install the deadbolt. So when you install a deadbolt, make sure the top is facing up. Simply insert it and use the 2 provided screws. What I'm gonna do is insert it through this hole right here. See that? And align the wiring to the bottom. It should fit perfectly. Little gap. Okay, so now I lined up the back strike plate, routed the wire through here. You're gonna line up with the the 2 holes in the deadbolt. And we're gonna install the screws through here. Okay, I have the back strike plate on. The 2 screws are tightened, and as you can see, this is flush now. Before it was a little bit, there was a little gap. Now I'm going to install the back panel. I have the back cover removed. I want to route the wire through here. See? And then I'm going to insert the screw on top through here. And of course we have to align it with the deadbolt lock. Now that I have the back panel attached to the back plate, I'm going to insert the wire with the hose lining up on top. Connect it like this. Okay, let's install these AA batteries. Let's see what happens. See, it lights up. I'm going to press and hold the reset button so I can reset it to factory settings.
Initialization success.
I can install back the cover and test it out. Alright, it's that Exciting time to test out the lock, and yes, I downloaded the app. The app is called Tuya Smart. Alright, so to lock it, you simply manual lock it, or my preferred method is to touch this, the automatic mechanized method. Alright, so there are 4 ways to unlock it. First is via the fingerprint. See? Alright, so that's already unlocked. Let's see if you use the wrong fingerprint or somebody else. Nope. Nope. Alright, so of course, has to be authorized fingerprint. So the second method is via the pin method. Of course, it's 6 to 8 digits. See? That's the second method. The third method is there's a hidden key right here, keyhole, and it comes with 2 keys. Oh, wait a minute, let me lock this first. All right, and of course, everybody knows how to use the key, right? That's the third method. And the fourth method is via the app. Simply touch and hold it. See that? How fun is that? So with the app, you can see the battery level that's remaining on the lock itself. It will warn you when it's time to replace it. Of course, you can unlock it by using this. Options obtaining dynamic passwords. And you can even share members with your family member or your friends or relatives. And you can see the unlocking records for whoever you provide the password. You can name it. You can see who came through the door. In the locking and unlocking method, in various options such as smart linkage, customization, and settings, a lot of different features that you can add, such as the fingerprint, recognizing fingerprint, password protection, and also the temporary password. Even has the built-in auto lock feature in case you forget to lock it once you leave the house. And in the rare event, if the battery is dead, you can use a power bank to power up the keypad to get it working. I am really amazed by the Arpha Smart Lock design. It's compact and sleek. Really love that zinc black finish. 4 different methods of gaining entry, whether it be via the pin, regular key, using the fingerprint, or the smart lock. It makes it fun. Get into the house, and you can even share passwords with your friend or family members. And it even features a siren, emergency siren that goes off if you enter in the wrong password 3 times in a row. Truly amazing design. Protect your house and your loved ones with the Arpha Smart Lock.